Welcome to the BM classes. I am Vishnu Mahanan, lecturer in English, Firavati Women's College, Teresinga, District Kalahandi. Today I am going to teach the question and answer discussion of the first stanza of the famous poem Daffodils, written by the William Wordsworth, the famous romantic poet of the Romantic age. In this poem, he has written about his own experience, and this poem is very natural poem, and he was fall in love in this scenic beauty, and the host of Golden Daffodil also welcoming to the poet in this poem. And today we discuss only the question answer of the first stanza. I am going to ask some question and answer of this first stanza. If you are newer, ଆପଣ ଯଦି ନୂଆ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ମାଇ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ and to update with me, like, share and comment. Let's discuss. I wonder lonely as cloud, the first line of this first stanza. I refer to the who was I. That means I refer to the poet himself. I refer to the poet himself. I wonder lonely as cloud. Who was wondering? Who was wandering? That means the poet himself was wandering near the lake. Who compared to the cloud in this one? The second question is who compared to the cloud? The poet himself compared to the cloud himself, because in the first line he is saying that I wonder lonely as cloud. I refer to the poet himself. I refer to the poet himself that floats in high over the vales and hills. That's referred to in this poem. I am going to repeat once again. That floats in the high over the vales and hills. Vales, Upattaka, hills, Pahad. That means the daffodil's flower in this stanza. The who plots in this, who plots in the high vales and hills? Who plots? Who did plots in the high vales in this second line? The answer will be that refer to the daffodil's flower. The daffodils plots. This is the short answer. In the next class I am going to answer full sentence. When all at once I saw a crowd. Who saw a crowd? The third question is who saw a crowd? The poet himself saw a crowd and a host of golden daffodils. Where did? Then next question, host of golden daffodils beside the lake, beneath the tree. Where did the poet see the daffodils? The fourth question is very important question. I hope this question will come in the examination. Please see carefully. Where did the poet see the daffodils flower? Where did the poet see the daffodils flower? The answer will be the poets. The famous poet of this poem, William Wordsworth, saw the heart of golden daffodils flower beside the lake, beneath the tree. And another question is the similar question. When did the poet see the daffodils flower? When and where? Maybe similar. When? Another question. When did the poet see the daffodils? The answer will be when the poet was wandering lonely as cloud, he saw a host of golden daffodils beside the lake, beneath the tree. Beside the lake, beneath the tree. And the next question is what were fluttering and dancing in the beach? What were fluttering and dancing in the beach? The answer will be the daffodils. The host of golden daffodils were fluttering and dancing in the breeze. आज एतिक डिस्कसन करवा नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखा लाइक शेयर कमेंट करंतु इफ यू लाइक माय क्लास प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड अपडेट विथ मी to know all the classes, to attend all the classes. Thank you.